When we think of nature's powerhouses, we picture sharp teeth, ferocious predators. But what if I told you the Earth's mightiest creatures live on a diet of leaves and grass? Did you know that the 5 largest land animals on the planet are all herbivores? While this may come as a surprise to some people, it makes perfect sense to evolutionary biologists. There are several theories about why vegetarian animals grow so large, but most of them are related to the food chain and how it works. In the food chain, there are producers, such as plants, that convert sunlight into energy, consumers, such as elephants, that eat plants, and predators, such as lions, that eat herbivores. Animals at the top of the food chain need to eat significantly more than those at the lower levels to achieve the same energy intake. For example, a carnivore the size of a giraffe would have to spend all its time hunting and eating animals to consume enough energy to make up for the energy loss. And so much hunting would mean that the food source would be quickly depleted. In order for the food chain to function properly, there can only be a limited number of carnivores at the top. It would be unsustainable otherwise. Meet 8. Giant herbivorous mammals that, even without hunting, can use their size to defend themselves. 1. Giraffe. Meet the giraffe, the world's tallest animal. You might think they eat all day, kind of like your teenager raiding the fridge. But giraffes are surprisingly efficient, surviving on way less than you'd think. Giraffes are the tallest animals on Earth, reaching heights of up to 18 feet. They spend about 12 hours a day eating, and they consume about 150 pounds of leaves and twigs each day. Standing up to 20 feet tall, giraffes are the tallest animals on Earth. Their necks alone can reach up to 6 feet long. Despite spending a long time eating, 16 to 20 hours a day, these animals only ingest about 66 pounds of foliage during that time, and 15 pounds per day is enough for them to survive. 2. Elephant now. Elephants definitely do eat a lot, up to 600 pounds of plants a day. Imagine hitting the grocery store for that much produce. That's why they're constantly on the move, searching for food. But they're also important, spreading seeds and shaping the landscape. Elephants are also known for living in groups. Do some people dislike elephants? However, many people are afraid of them because of their size. Although they can hurt a human if they feel threatened, they will not hunt a person, as they are herbivores. An adult elephant can eat between 176 and 661 pounds of plants per day. To consume all of these vegetables, they spend 12 to 18 hours a day eating. Here are some other interesting facts about elephants. Elephants are the largest land animals on Earth. Elephants are social animals and live in herds of up to 100 individuals. Elephants are pregnant for about 22 months, and they give birth to a single calf. Elephants can live for up to 70 years in the wild. 3. Hippopotamus. Hippos might look relaxed, but don't be fooled. They're fiercely territorial, and despite being herbivores, they're known to be incredibly dangerous. Think hippos are harmless? Think again. Hippopotamuses are territorial and can become aggressive. Hippopotamuses may appear indifferent while resting in the lake, but these animals have a reactive temperament. They are extremely territorial, protective of their young, and can become aggressive when threatened. Despite being herbivores, they are known to attack and kill around 2,900 people every year in Africa. Here are some other interesting facts about hippopotamuses. Hippopotamuses are the 3rd largest land animals on Earth. Hippopotamuses are semi-aquatic animals and spend most of their time in water. Hippopotamuses are herbivores and eat grass, leaves, and other plants. Hippopotamuses are pregnant for about 8 months, and they give birth to a single calf. Hippopotamuses can live for up to 50 years in the wild. 4. Rhinoceros. Another armored giant, the rhinoceros. They might seem prehistoric, but they're plant eaters through and through. Sadly, their horns are a target for poachers. But those horns are mainly for defense and feeding. Rhinoceroses live about 45 years. The rhinoceros is another strong and powerful animal that feeds only on plants. They weigh between 3,748 and 5,071 pounds and are up to 13 feet long and 6 feet tall. Here are some other interesting facts about rhinoceroses. Rhinoceroses are the second largest land animals on Earth. Rhinoceroses are herbivores and eat grass, leaves, and other plants. Rhinoceroses are pregnant for about 18 months, and they give birth to a single calf. Rhinoceroses can live for up to 50 years in the wild. Rhinoceroses are amazing creatures that play an important role in the African and Asian ecosystems. They are a symbol of the beauty and diversity of life on Earth. 5. Bison. The bison, symbol of the American plains, are built for power, but fueled by grass. They have a speed that would put Olympic runners to shame. But how fast can they really run? We'll reveal that in just a moment. Bison are large ruminant mammals of the bovine family. If you think vegetarians can't be muscular, you haven't considered bison. Adult males weigh approximately 1,184 pounds, and females average 102 pounds. These animals can run at speeds of over 37 miles per hour and eat all species of grasses native to the United States and Canada. Here are some other interesting facts about bison. Bison are the largest land mammals in North America. Bison are herbivores and eat grass, leaves, and other plants. Bison are pregnant for about 9 months, and they give birth to a single calf. Bison can live for up to 20 years in the wild. Bison are amazing creatures that play an important role in the North American ecosystem. They are a symbol of the beauty and diversity of life. 6. Panda. Everyone loves pandas, and for good reason. They've got a super specialized diet. Bamboo. They eat a ton of it and have a secret adaptation to hold and eat those tough stalks. Pandas have a structure on their hand to support bamboo shoots, similar to a thumb. Pandas are so cute that it's easy to forget they are bears. Despite being exclusively herbivores, when threatened, they can attack like any other bear. To maintain a balanced diet, they need to eat up to 88 pounds of bamboo shoots per day. Here are some other interesting facts about pandas. Pandas are native to China. Pandas are endangered. Pandas are black and white. Pandas eat bamboo. Pandas are solitary animals. Pandas are pregnant for about 5 months, and they give birth to 1 or 2 cubs. Pandas can live for up to 20 years in the wild. Pandas are amazing creatures that play an important role in the Chinese ecosystem. They are a symbol of the beauty and diversity of life on Earth. 7. Gorillas eating leaves and shoots. A silverback displaying, but not aggressively. The mighty gorilla, the largest primate, draws its strength from plants. They mostly eat leaves, shoots, and fruit, but don't mess with them. They're powerful when they need to be. Despite being large and strong, the gorilla's diet is based on plants. The gorilla is the largest primate in existence. Its diet is mostly herbivorous, since it feeds mainly on fruits, leaves, and shoots. But occasionally, they may ingest some insects, which make up less than 2% of their diet. Now, we all know lions are fierce predators with a powerful bite. But what about those gentle giants, the gorillas? Believe it or not, pound for pound, a gorilla's bite is actually stronger than a lion's. Gorillas mostly munch on leaves and fruit, but with a bite force of around 1,300 pounds per square inch, they could turn a coconut into dust. Lions are no slouches, topping out around 650 pounds per square inch. But in this showdown, the vegetarian wins. Here are some other interesting facts about gorillas. Gorillas are native to Africa. Gorillas are endangered. Gorillas eat plants. Gorillas are social animals. Gorillas are pregnant for about 9 months, and they give birth to 1 or 2 cubs. Gorillas can live for up to 40 years in the wild. Gorillas are amazing creatures that play an important role in the African ecosystem. They are a symbol of the beauty and diversity of life on Earth. 8. Moose. And last but not least, the moose. The largest member of the deer family, they eat all sorts of plants all year round. even munching on water plants like water lilies. Moose are part of the deer family. Standing over 6 feet tall and weighing over 1,000 pounds, moose are strictly vegetarian. They eat an average of 70 pounds of plants, which are mostly ground vegetation, shoots, and aquatic plants. Here are some other interesting facts about moose. Moose are the largest land mammals in North America. Moose are herbivores and eat grass, leaves, and other plants. Moose are pregnant for about 6 months, and they give birth to 1 or 2 calves. Moose can live for up to 20 years in the wild. Moose are amazing creatures that play an important role in the North American ecosystem. They are a symbol of the beauty and diversity of life on Earth.
From towering giraffes to mighty gorillas, these vegetarian giants prove size and strength aren't about eating meat. They're a reminder of the amazing diversity of our planet. Were you amazed by these plant-powered giants? Let us know which one surprised you the most in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't miss the next video.